Hi guys, a different type of teardown. This camera, it used to be mine quite a long time ago. I gave it to my daughter, or possibly even to my granddaughter, I don't remember which. And I was visiting my daughter yesterday, and she asked me if I wanted it back because it didn't work anymore. I think the best thing I can do is demonstrate. If I switch it on, right, we have a display with numbers and letters on it. What we don't have is anything coming through the viewfinder. I haven't actually got the instructions with it, but I've tried every combination of button that I can think of, and nothing actually switches on the sensor, basically. So it may be that it's been dropped and there's something loose inside that we can just push back together, or the sensor has died for some reason. It's let's have a look at the details. It's a Link3C DC for digital camera 410Z3. I probably bought it on eBay. Probably. I don't remember, but I have it in the back of my mind I might have bought it on eBay. I think, well, when we had a look inside it, there's a memory card in there, there was pictures on it, and they dated from 2016 to 2018. So at the very least, it's at least 8 years old. It's probably older than that because I probably had it for a couple of years before that, before I gave it to them. So, yeah. Is that going to turn off now? Yeah, there we go. There's a few screws on it. So I will undo the screws and see if we can get inside and have a look at it. It uses an old, I say old, it's the, what do they call that, compact flash card. I've actually got a few of these that I couldn't remember where they came from. Obviously, I bought them for this camera. Yeah. We'll have a look, see if we can get inside. I suppose the first thing I ought to do is take the batteries out, just so we don't accidentally short anything out. I was, yeah, completely different video. I was talking about the fact I used to carry lots of AA batteries around, packs of them, because this eats them quite quickly as I remember it. Anyway, put that to one side. I'll just get a magnet to catch the screws. And we'll see if we can get inside. I haven't looked. It's vaguely possible there might be a video on YouTube covering a, whatever it was, Link3C. You never know your luck with YouTube. There's lots of people like me who take things apart for no particular reason other than we can take them apart. Oh, that's going to be annoying. Some of these are different sizes, I think. Yeah, those are thinner. Oh, that's going to be annoying when we come to put it back together. Trying to identify where the different size screws go. Because a professional would have a little tray to put all the different screws in so you can identify, yeah, that one's longer than all the others as well. Okay, we've undone a few screws. There's none hidden in there. None hidden in there. Oh, there's movement. I'll get a set of tools, spudgers. Feels like something's holding it together in the middle somewhere. Right. Okay. Speaker. I did try taking some pictures without the without being able to see anything, just to see if we could get any onto the memory card, and that didn't seem to happen. So it looks like it is actually the camera sensor that has gone. Just lift that up. I expect we probably got to get that off somehow. There's a screw there. Oh, that's a bit tight. Cool. You could just undo these screws. They look like they just hold the display in place. And screw there. Oh, bigger screw there. Would that help us? That can't be the only screw holding things in place. Oh, there's another one. 1, 2. There's probably one behind there, isn't there? Well, that one's loose. So's that one. Doesn't appear to make any difference. I'm going to have to try and get that one out. That didn't make any difference. There's a screw in the back of that from inside. But I don't think... No, that's not stopping it coming out. Do you think there's a screw underneath there somewhere? Can't feel any indentation under there. That would be logical. Hide one under there. Nope. Nothing hidden under there. I wonder if we can... unscrew that and pull it out. I wonder if that's what's holding it. I'll have a look for the right size screw to go in there and see if we can pull it out. That should be the right size thread. Right, got that out. That's what it was that was holding it there. Still something holding it. There we go. Right. Progress. I'll put that on the floor. Whoa. I just gave myself a shock off the flash capacitor. One of those things you're supposed to be aware of. Put my finger there, thumb, and that's obviously the flash. There's the flash. Oh well, that woke me up. Well, we're inside. Let's see, can we get that out so we're not dragging everything about? Right, so we're not dragging half the case around. Oh, just did it again. Oh, well done, Grandad. Wow. Doesn't like being taken apart. Well, we've got in anyway, so it's a matter of undoing that bit there. There was a single screw in the middle of that, and that was stopping us getting the case off. How are we doing for time? Gosh, 25 minutes already. Well, I'm going to call a halt to it there then. 25 minutes, and we've actually got the case off. So we now need to decide whether we want to go any further. Without shocking ourselves. Just out of interest, I should think that's a little electric motor for driving the lens in and out to focus it. It's just a guess, but that looks about the right sort of shape and size. That's your USB port. Then the other two will be DC in and AV out. Oh, 3 times. You'd think I'd learn. I'll go and see if I've got a bit of Captan tape or something I can put over the top of that so I don't keep doing it. Just a temporary measure so I don't keep shocking myself. That looks like microphone just there. Right, as I say, I think I'll stop there for now. Or shall I just stick the batteries in and have a little look? Batteries going in a funny order. Where's the cover? Yeah. Positive. Positive. Negative. Negative. Can't hold it together long enough. And then that was the power button. Do that again. Oh, there's a little button there. Well, that detects whether the memory card's in or not, I think. Nope. Oh, I can see we're not making full contact. Squeeze that. Now press the button. Yeah, that's better. We had lights flashing. Lens has moved out. Tells us we got no card in there, but we're still not seeing anything through there. which I didn't expect there to be any difference. We haven't actually done anything. Okay, that'll do. Off again, lens goes in, batteries come out. Yeah, like I say, that'll do for now. We'll have a look a bit further in another video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.